if you're new to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been traveling part-time around Australia for the last 2 years. So to check out all our past episodes and all our episodes in the future, make sure you go down the bottom and like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino.
I'm Adam, this is Twyla. We're making our way to the town of Narooma, but on the way we have stopped in the town of Bodalla.
Yes, and this place looks fantastic. It's only about 20-minute drive to where we're heading, so it's definitely a place you should come out and see if you're heading to Narooma. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And this town, it appears to specialise in cheese and dairy products, so ice cream, cheeses, milk,
So I think
all those items, yogurts.
So I think this calls for an ice cream.
Testing.
So just behind me, you've got the dairy cheese factory. So we're going to go looking through the windows to see how it's all made. And then just over here, we've got the actual shop where you can go purchase some different ice creams, milkshakes and things like that. So we'll head over there next. I think this fence is so cute. It looks like cows' bums going all the way along, and then they got their tails coming here. How cute is that? So which cheeses did we end up getting? It was a pepper, I think we decided.
Yeah, the did see.
So it's just started raining, so we thought we'll jump in the van to have what we just brought. Well, what I just brought, because Adam didn't even treat himself. I've got myself a piece of cheesecake. It looks so good. I was like, I have to have some. And then they drizzled some strawberry over top of it. And
and then we've got from the cheese section, we've got a chili and wattle seed.
And these both taste really good. So they gave us the free sample, and it's really nice.
And then the second one that I bought was the Tasmanian pepperberry.
And that's my favourite. So it was so good.
And
coffee, which tastes great, by the way.
And you got a hot chocolate, didn't you?
I did. And now you've got a hot chocolate. Anyway, let me taste this cheesecake and tell you what I think.
Tastes fresh?
Yeah, it tastes really fresh. Oh, it's really good. Really good. Love it. So we finished the cheesecake. That was absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to quickly show you what's in this town also. I won't go into great detail. It's going to run around because it's raining and we want to head into the next town. So let me just run you around and show you what's here. So you've got the Bodalla pub. This looks really good. So you can always have a meal there. Then you got the Artist Nest Gallery and a few other shops along the way. This shop looks so good. I'm going to have to take her inside. Let's go in and investigate what's in here. Now check out this shop. It's not open today. I'll go check on the door what time when it is open, so you know. But it looks so cool. And I've looked through the windows and there's a whole heap of tie-dye stuff in there. It looks really cool. So let's have a look through the window. And you can see all the tie-dye in there. Now, it says over here that it's open Thursday to Sunday, 9 to 3. Here's some pictures of people wearing all the different stuff they have inside. How cool does it look? Hippie, hippie, hippie. Look at that. And I'll just, there we go. Look at all that. If you're into tie-dye, you're going to love this shop. All right, we better get this show on the road, but that's just a little snippet of this town. I hope you like it. Now let's get to the next one. Well, that's it for another midweek episode. Thanks guys for watching. Our merch is out now if you want to purchase any of it. We've got mugs, t-shirts, hoodies like the one I'm wearing, and also wind sheeter. So if you want to check them out, and even a tote bag, just scan the code right there. It'll take you straight to our merch site, or otherwise you can go down into the description and you'll find a link there. We will be on live chat this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our latest episode, so we hope to see you then, and until then, make sure you have a good week. See you guys.